What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Dreamin Diesel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today is finally the day we are taking out the 7.3 here. Finally, it is the end of July, but finally getting there. I didn't really want it to be this long before I took it out, but it is what it is. Just haven't had the time, and I'm not overly concerned about it. You know, there's a few issues I think it has, so I wasn't, I was hoping to get those done before I could drive it, but didn't have the time, so I'm not, too concerned with it sitting. I'm okay with not driving it a whole lot anyways, just 'cause I know it has some issues. So, but we're gonna get it out now and get a few things rolling. Yeah, I wasn't planning on having it sit for this long, but it is what it is. I haven't had time to get it out, and I know it has a few. I've said this before. It's got a few issues I'd like to get taken care of that I know aren't right with it. I was hoping to get those done, towards the end of the winter before I drove it, and that didn't happen. So I just don't really have the time now. So, I don't really mind having it sit for long. I don't want to drive it with issues. But yeah, definitely excited. We're getting this thing out today. We've been sitting here for like, how long? May, June, about 5 months probably. Just sitting. I think it'll do just fine though. We got to move some of this stuff out of the way, uncover it. I'll probably end up putting the battery charger on it. Yeah, check the battery voltage real quick, make sure it'll start. It's been sitting inside. I'm not too worried about it. I think it should fire up just as it was. Maybe give a little check over everything, check the tires and stuff like that. I'm gonna throw the edge on there. That'll actually make me feel a lot better because I'll be able to monitor everything very easily. So, all the basics. Your oil temp, coolant, or you can't read coolant temp yet on the edge on a 7.3, but oil temp, battery voltage, all the ICP and stuff like that. So that'll make me feel a little bit better. But yeah, I'm gonna get some of this stuff moved, start getting it uncovered, and we'll be getting it rolling. All right, there we go. Got it uncovered. Whew, haven't seen this thing in a while. Looking good. Cover, it got a little dirty underneath the cover. I did just pressure wash it yesterday. That might have done a little bit, but a little bit of dust got through. No big deal. Paint's still nice and smooth from when I detailed it before I put it away. Well, there we go. Now the batteries are reading 11.3. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna crank it and see what happens. So let's see what the old 7.3's got. Sitting for 5 months. Whew, here we go. First time the key's been turned. Let's see, using the spare key because I forgot the keys at home. I took them with me when I... Oh boy, here we go. First time it's been started. 5 months. Let's see. No battery charger, no nothing. Okay. Well, that didn't go too well. Kind of figured that, but I figured I'd give it a shot, see what happens. So I got the battery charger going now. I guess I'm gonna probably clean some of this stuff up, let that charge a bit. Maybe I'll get the edge set up. I gotta put the cover away, and then I gotta do a new EBP sensor and the tube on my work truck. So maybe I'll get that started. I kind of want to get this out of the way just in case. I want to pull that work truck right here, so just in case anything gets stuck here for a bit. But yeah, I gotta do that too. I was trying to do it last weekend. Oh, the sun's messing with my lighting. There we go. I was trying to do it last weekend, but I was attempting to turn the EBP sensor, and I thought it was turning, but it wasn't. So be careful if you're ever doing that. Just twisted the tube, so I had to get a whole new tube, and so be careful when you're doing that. The tube's not which I was trying to be careful with that, but I was in a hurry, and it just didn't go well. So don't be in a hurry, and then you won't break stuff on your truck. But be careful of that. So yeah, we're gonna let this charge up a bit. I'll get some stuff cleaned up, and I'll check back with you guys, and we'll get this thing running. All right, take two. Let's see if we can get this thing to start. Battery charger's been on there a while. Says voltage is at 12. Batteries are at like 22%. Might not be enough, but we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. See what the 7.3 can do. fired right up. I didn't skip a beat. Not at all. Sounding good too. Alright, I'm gonna get this battery charger off here and get the thing moved over. Well, 7.3's finally out. Got a little dusty from sitting under there, but kind of expected that. I guess the deck cover to keep out everything, but it does the job. I love that sound. I probably gotta clean this thing up real quick here. Then I gotta do just a little bit of work on my work truck real quick. Then we get this thing up and we're going for a first drive. Alrighty boys, there it is. Just made it back from the first test drive. Went well. Thing's running good, man. Can't really complain. Man, I love driving that thing. Feels nice to finally drive it again. May or may not have left couple black marks over there, and there's a 6.0, I-60, sitting on top of the mountain. Yeah, looking good. It's a little dirty, but love that sound. Yeah, driving good. Still not. I really want to get modding this thing up. It's still not exactly how. Really not where I want it to be, which is kind of driving me nuts. That's the only thing. I'd love to be driving it, but a few things I want to change up. Probably run it. It runs pretty good. I still think it's got some, might need injectors, is what I'm thinking. I don't know. But yeah, I really do enjoy driving it. Love the sound, get to blow a little smoke, mess around a bit. I did get the edge in there. I'm probably gonna put it up right up there, right next to the gauges, but everything is hooked up and reading as it should. Probably leave it something like that for now, probably, until I get some, I got a few of their EAS gauges and stuff to put on, but just for now, I'll probably leave it as is. Got the hydro working well. Nice and clean. Cleaner and new. Alright, so not too much going on in this video, but did get 7.3 out. I'm sure, I know you guys want to see more, but just a quick little video because I was pulling it out today. I wanted to get a video for you guys. Truck's running good, still needs a few little things. Definitely a lot more to come, so stay tuned. I got a lot more coming. I got on this, get going on this, got stuff, some more stuff coming out of my work truck. Then we'll get back into the crew cab as well. 150 is pretty much done. But yeah, lots more to come, guys, so stay tuned. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video before you go. Really helps out a lot. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. 7-3.